Hello everyone, in this video we'll be solving problem 257 binary tree paths. The problem statement is given the root of a binary tree, return all root to leaf path in any order. A leaf is a node with no children. Looking at example number 1, there are a total of 2 leaf nodes which is 3 and 5. So we need to return the path from the root node that is 1 all the way to these leaf nodes which is 1, 2 and then 5 and the other is 1 and 3. In example number 2, root node itself is a leaf node because it doesn't have any children. So we return just that one element. I hope you were able to understand this problem statement. Let's switch to whiteboard and discuss how we can solve it. The simple way to solve this problem is by using the DFS approach to start the iteration from the root node, traverse through all of the nodes on its left and the right side, and continue the iteration until we encounter a leaf node. And while we are traversing through all of the nodes, we'll maintain the state of the path. So when we start from node 1 and traverse to node 2, the path will be 1 and 2. Moving on to the next node which is 4, so the path will be updated to 1, 2 and 4. And when we go to node 5, the path will be 1, 2, 4 and 5. And because node 5 is a leaf node, we'll stop the iteration here and return this path or save it in a collection. Similarly, we'll repeat the operation for the right side of node 1 or root node and record the path until we encounter a leaf node. On the right side, node 6 is the leaf node, so its corresponding path will be 1, 3 and 6, which will be added to the collection and later returned as an output. With this solution, our time complexity is O of n, where n is the number of nodes in the given binary tree, and the space complexity is O of m, where m is the number of leaf node in the given binary tree. I hope you were able to understand this explanation. Let me show you how we can implement this using C#. Here is the C# solution. I start by initializing the results variable. I then call this helper method DFS to iterate through all of the nodes, and I'm passing the current node, the path that we have built so far, and the results variable. To cover the initial case where we start with the root node, there will not be any prefix to it because that should be the starting point. Hence I'm adding this check. Following that, I am verifying if the node is null. If it is null, then I am stopping the iteration and returning it. I am then verifying if the node is a leaf node, that is, both left and right nodes are null. If it is, then I am saving the temp path that we built so far into the results variable and returning the code from here. After that, I am checking if my left node or right nodes are not null. If they are, then I am recursively calling the DFS method again, passing the left and the right node respectively. Once this iteration is done, all of the valid paths will be saved in this results variable, which is being returned on the last line of the main method. This code, when submitted on LeetCode, beats nearly 41% of the submissions in terms of runtime and 44% in terms of memory. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you were able to understand this explanation and the code. The link to the code is available in the description below. Feel free to check that out and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.